Health benefits and side effects of chiropractic care. Chiropractic care is a form of alternative medicine that focuses on diagnosing and treating mechanical disorders of the musculoskeletal system, particularly the spine. Practiced by licensed chiropractors, this hands-on therapy aims to improve overall health by restoring proper alignment to the body's structures. It is important to understand both its potential benefits and side effects. Health benefits. One of the most significant benefits of chiropractic care is relief from back and neck pain. Spinal adjustments can help realign vertebrae, reduce pressure on nerves, and ease muscle tension. Many patients report improved mobility and decreased discomfort following treatment. Chiropractic care is also commonly used to treat headaches, particularly tension and cervicogenic headaches that stem from neck issues. In addition to pain relief, chiropractic adjustments may improve posture, especially for individuals who spend long hours sitting or using electronic devices. This can contribute to better spinal health and reduce strain on the body. Some patients also experience enhanced athletic performance, as chiropractic treatments may improve joint mobility, muscle coordination, and flexibility. Chiropractic care is often used as a complementary therapy alongside traditional medical treatments. It is considered a non-invasive and drug-free approach, making it attractive for those seeking natural methods of managing chronic conditions like sciatica, fibromyalgia, or arthritis. Additionally, some research suggests that chiropractic care can have a positive effect on the nervous system and general wellness. Side effects. While chiropractic care is generally considered safe when performed by a trained professional, it may cause mild side effects in some individuals. These commonly include soreness, stiffness, or fatigue after an adjustment, which typically resolve within a day or two. More serious but rare complications can include herniated or slipped discs, nerve compression, or stroke after neck manipulation. These risks are higher in individuals with pre-existing conditions, such as osteoporosis or spinal instability. Therefore, it is important for patients to disclose their full medical history to the chiropractor before starting treatment. In some cases, inappropriate or excessive manipulation can lead to joint or soft tissue injury. Choosing a qualified and licensed chiropractor reduces the likelihood of adverse effects and ensures safer care. Conclusion. Chiropractic care offers various health benefits, particularly for musculoskeletal pain and improved physical function. However, as with any medical treatment, it carries potential risks. Informed decision-making and consultation with healthcare professionals can help individuals determine if chiropractic therapy is appropriate for their needs. Subscribe, follow, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching.